Hello guys, welcome back to our session. This is Automotive Paint Technology Part 4 and my name is Noctar, and in this session we are going to cover about the paint manufacturing process, and we will discuss what stages we need to require, and we need to precautions take care. So first stage is selection of blades and containers. Selection of blades and containers means we have to select blades according to container size. Then second stage, once we select blades and containers, then we start grind. So grind stage, actually this is the stage where we add TiO2, extenders, dispersions, surfactant and deformers. And in this stage we use this type blade. This is called Koval type blade, just to uh, deagglomerate of pigment extender particles and to get proper grinding in their uniform size. And we leave uh, for 30 minute grind after adding all these raw materials. And once 30 minute has finished, uh, we check grind fineness with Hickman gauge. If grind fineness is passing, then we go to next stage, that is let down stage. So in this stage, actually this is actually nothing, is just a mixing. And in this stage we add resin, solvent, thickness and biocide, these kind of raw materials. And here we just use a blade that cut like propeller and propeller type blade. So this is only for mixing. Sorry. Then once our let and we just keep we leave the let down process for 30 minutes. And once our let down has completed, uh, we goes to initial QC. And in this initial QC we check some quick check. QC means quick check. Some WPG means we check weight per gallon. Means why we check WPG? Just to check that whatever raw materials we have added in correct amount or not. Then pH, why we check pH? Just to check our paint is in specification within the given pH or not. Then we check Q and ICI. Q and ICI is nothing, it's a viscosity. Q means it's a Krebs unit, ICI means high shear viscosity, and Q is a low shear viscosity. So actually, why we check QICI? Because Q this require for stability purpose and sag resistance, and ICI require for high shear applications. Like if we are going to apply paint with a spray gun, then this viscosity is needed. Then we check TS. TS means tinting strength. Why we check tinting strength? Just to confirm that whatever sorry, whatever extenders and pigment we have added, those are dispersed properly or not. Then we check gloss. Gloss by check whatever product we are making, this is in the gloss. Means if gloss is we want 70 degree plus gloss at 60 angle, then it's coming in spec or not. Then once our QC property is confirmed, or we are, we get in a spec, then we check properties testing. So in properties testing, what we check some different properties like scrubs means its ability of paint to resist uh, brushing or scrubbing on the paint film. Then we check stain resistance. So stain resistance is the property of paint to repel stains, or it should be very helpful to remove the stains from the substrate. Stains means like a lipstick, crayon and wine, and copy whatever we are using in our household, so those are stains. Then blocks, like why we check like our paint should be non-stick. Once we apply paint, sometime we can see on the doors, both two films can stick to each other, so it should not be happen. Then we check adhesion. Adhesion, as we know, it's a very essential property of the paint. Because of adhesion, rest all other properties are not having too much impact. So adhesion actually, it's a resistance of paint, means it's ability of paint, you can say, to adhere any substrate. Then sag and labeling. You know that sometime you might have observed that once we apply the paint on the substrate like Y spray or Y brushing, we can see some sags, and sag is there. Sag means nothing, run down, so it should not be happen. And labeling means once we apply paint, it after drying, it should be like very labeling should be very proper. There should not be any kind of brush mark or any kind of uneven surface, so it should be very smooth. So thank you guys. In this session we discussed a lot of things, how can we manufacturing paint and what's the process we need to require. Thank you for uh, watching this video.